Number 5. Brother PQ1500 SL. Maximum stitching of up to 1,500 stitches per minute. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader. The PQ1500 SL long arm sewing and quilting machine comes with a wide table. It's so easy to sew a wide variety of fabric thicknesses. This machine is additionally backed by a 25-year limited warranty with free technical phone support. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Brother CS6000i. 60 built-in sewing stitches and 7 styles of auto-size buttonholes. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader. Includes a hard protective case, wide table, 10 sewing feet, 3 bobbins and more. Easily select your stitches with the touch of a button and view your selections on the LCD display. 25-year limited warranty with free technical support. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Singer Quantum 9960. 600 stitch applications for full creativity. 850 stitches per minute for high-speed sewing. 13 presser feet included for enhanced capability. Automatic one-step buttonhole. Warranty 25-year limited. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Brother XR 9550. 165 unique built-in stitches. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. Quilting and sewing machine is a protective hardcover. The intuitive LCD display allows you to easily choose your stitches and settings. Free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. 97 stitch applications. 1,100 stitches per minute. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine is a true workhorse. Automatic one-step buttonhole. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Portable Sewing Machine has 25-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.